how to clear link history on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to clear your link history on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once opened, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Click on the hamburger line at the top right, which is the 3 lines. Now, scroll down to how you use Instagram and click on your activity. Scroll down until you get to how you use Instagram and then select link history. Here you have access to all your link histories. Now, to clear the link histories, click on clear all at the top right. You should see a pod that says clear link history. Go ahead and click on clear. And then you should see no link history. And then that's it. So that is exactly how to clear link history on Instagram. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.